Want to quench your thirst? Let's try this Haitian lemonade. Now, it doesn't matter if you're on the beach or in your backyard. You can enjoy this anywhere, and the family will enjoy it and will love it. So let me show you how to make it. You need is about full lemon. Of course, if you want to make more, you can double it easily. So it's up to you. The way I like to do it, I like to squeeze my lemons first. And the reason I do that, it's simply because in case it slips, it falls, you can easily pick it up. So you don't have to worry about the sugar or salt or anything else stuck with it if it falls down the pitcher. But little words to the wise, make sure you wash your lemon before you do anything with it. Because you know, a lot of people do handle it at the store before you get it. Alright, so our next step now, we're gonna get 1 cup of sugar. 1 cup is pretty good, I would say. It's up to you if you want more or less. If you want to decrease the sugar, there's nothing wrong with that. I will say 3/4, but 1 cup, everybody will be pretty satisfied with that. Next step, we're gonna add just about a pinch to 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And at our house we use kosher, but you can easily use iodized salt, that's fine too. Alright, let's go ahead and start stirring. We want to make sure that the sugar and the salt is completely melted. And let's go ahead and start adding the water to continue to melt the sugar and salt. So we're adding about 3 cups of water. See? Very simple, easy to make. And as you're stirring, you should be able to feel whether or not the sugar and salt is completely gone, melted into the combination here. Yes. Ça c'est gros bagay, bon bagay, bel bagay net. All right. Now, if you thought we were done, think again. Now, this is where the secret ingredient comes in to give you that extra oomph. Yes, we're gonna use vanilla extract. It's gonna give you that extra bit of flavor that you were looking for. It doesn't matter really which kind of flavoring that you're using, but we are using the McCormick blend. It's actually strong, it's good. I suggest you get yourself some vanilla extract whenever you're making this lemonade or any other lemonade we have on the site. Alright? Y'all didn't see that, right? Y'all didn't see that. I have not used it yet, so hey. So I did 1 teaspoon in there, not a whole lot. Don't want to overdo it. And voila. Alright, now that we're ready to serve it, let's savory thoughts our drink. Add a little bit of mint to it. Now this is completely optional, it's not necessary, but why not? If you want a little bit of fresh minty flavor. Plus, it makes the glass look good. Yeah, now that's refreshing. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, stay tuned for many more to come. Have a blessed day.